As a result, Samsung is making a huge adjustment with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will greatly improve the picture quality and user experience. As you can see, Samsung debuted their periscope zoom camera on the S20 Ultra. A 4x optical zoom was included. The Note 20 Ultra from Samsung has been upgraded to 5x optical. Customers argued that they also needed a short-range zoom, so Samsung added a 3x telephoto camera to the S21 Ultra in addition to a 10x optical periscope camera for long-range zoom. Samsung continued to use the same system for the next 2 years. It seems that Samsung is improving one of its zoom cameras with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making the greatest upgrade to those cameras in the previous 3 years. Samsung will replace the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 3x telephoto camera with a 5x telephoto camera. According to Galaxy Club, who have a great track record, such is the case. Consequently, it suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature 2 zoom cameras, one with a 5x telephoto zoom and the other with a 10x telephoto zoom. This debunks the idea that Samsung was doing away with the 3x telephoto camera entirely from the S24 Ultra. However, given that Galaxy Club has a more successful track record than ICE Universe, the leak from ICE was certainly inaccurate. I'm aware that some of you may have a few questions at this point. How about close-up zoom then? Better short-range zoom was the main driver for Samsung bringing a second 3x telephoto camera. How are we going to shoot short-range zoom photographs if Samsung chooses to use a 5x optical zoom on the S24 Ultra? In order to achieve lesser zoom factors, such a 3x telephoto zoom, Samsung seems to be using the primary camera's high-quality, 200 megapixels. We'll have to wait and see whether this was a wise choice since optical zoom cameras are always preferable to cropping in with the primary sensor. The ideal choice would be to use a continuous zoom camera with a changeable lens that enables us to close up at any distance without compromising quality. This leads me to the second question you could have. Does this imply that the S24 Ultra won't include a camera with continuous zoom? The phone does not seem to contain this technology, unfortunately. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.